everyone, this is Sarah with May Handmade. I originally planned to do a video showing us we're working in progress cleaning up our yard. Very recently I shared a reel on Instagram about a cold front that came in and just made our yard beautiful and covered with leaves. So I was going to do a video of showing us cleaning up the leaves and what we are doing with the leaves, but with the way things have been lately, it was a very spontaneous moment, and so I didn't have a chance to actually record us cleaning them up, but I did want to show you what our yard looks like. So one of the first things that I did with the leaves, in this bed we have strawberries. This is the first time I've ever successfully grown strawberries, and so I'm hoping they will last for a second season. And you're supposed to cover them in straw or pine needles. That's one thing that's kind of difficult for us to get a hold of. So I'm gonna see how it works with the bed filled with leaves. Over here we still have kale and mint growing, and so I didn't cover those. And then over here I have multi-layers of leaves, compost, and more leaves to see how they will be going. We did have tomatoes in here and now it's empty. And then our peppers, I don't know how much longer they'll last. They're not producing anymore, but we're still getting the peppers that are still on there are doing well and slowly ripening for us. And then over here I did the same thing. Over here we have carrots growing, so just to protect them from the cold, I went ahead and put leaves over. And then our boys have had fun. They have built themselves a fort out of different boxes from our recycling bin. And then this is our asparagus, and I did the same thing. I just filled the bed with leaves to protect the plants underneath, and then I added leaves to our compost, and over the winter this will break down with all of the rain that we'll get, and then the different food scraps that I add to it. And then again over here I just added more leaves to the bed. We did have green beans in this bed, and I think it's just not the right place for great green beans. We don't get much sunlight, and then the sunlight that we do get is very direct, and it gets extremely hot in the summer. So my plan is to try cherry tomatoes over here in the springtime. So that's about it, and I just wanted to show you guys. I will try and share the reel that I made for Instagram, but our yard was completely covered in a beautiful layer of orange and yellow leaves, and I hated to clean it up, but it needed to be done, and I put most of the leaves to use, and I'm excited that we were able to do that. And I can't wait for springtime and all of the nutrients that the leaves will provide for our spring plants.
I got you like right as you were hitting the leaves.
He's crawling in there. He's trying to find like
Says, Joseph, what'd you do with my boy? Patrick, Pup is very concerned about you. Can you come out, please?
Hey, Patrick. Oh, come on, he's not looking.
He says, come out, Patrick. He wants you to come out.
He's crawling in through the other side.
This honestly feels really
He likes to leave. Tight package.
good. Come here.
Alright.
Come here. Come here.
You'll be okay, Ted.
Mad at you.
Yeah, he is.
Oh.
I want to get married. I want to get married. He's coming. Don't mess up all the leaves. Don't mess up the leaves. He's really crazy about you. We'll quit backing up. Quit backing up.
Thank you for watching this short clip about putting the garden to bed. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much.